Hello IG Garage family. Imagine you are driving your car and suddenly the check engine light turns on, fuel mileage drops, and you start smelling strong fuel from the exhaust. You connect your obd2 scanner and boom, the P2097 code appears. Now the big question is it a serious problem or just a small sensor issue? Because ignoring this code for too long can damage your catalytic converter and cost you a lot of money. Let's understand it in the simplest way. P2097 means post-catalyst fuel trim system to rich, bank 1. In simple words, your engine computer ECU is detecting that after the catalytic converter, the exhaust gases contain less oxygen than expected on bank 1. This means the engine is burning too much fuel or not getting enough air. Now the most important part, sensor location very important. First, understand what bank 1 means. Bank 1 is the side of the engine where cylinder number 1 is located. On inline engines 4-cylinder, there is only one bank, so bank 1 is the whole engine. On V6 or V8 engines, bank 1 is the side with cylinder 1. The main sensor responsible for P2097 is the downstream oxygen sensor, also called obd2 sensor to bank 1. This sensor is located AFTE or the catalytic converter on the exhaust pipe. If you go under the car, you will see engine gives exhaust manifold gives catalytic converter gives downstream obd2 sensor bank 1 sensor 2. The upstream oxygen sensor bank 1 sensor 1 is installed before the catalytic converter near the exhaust manifold. Both sensors send real-time air-fuel data to the ECU. Now let's talk about symptoms you may notice. Check engine light on is the most common symptom. Poor fuel economy because the engine is injecting extra fuel. Rough idle and unstable RPM, black smoke from the exhaust in some cases. Strong fuel smell from the tailpipe, engine hesitation during acceleration. Now the real causes behind P2097. One major cause is a faulty downstream oxygen sensor giving incorrect rich readings. Leaking fuel injectors can also cause excessive fuel in combustion. High fuel pressure due to a bad fuel pressure regulator. Dirty or clogged air filter restricting airflow. Faulty mass airflow sensor MAF sensor. Exhaust leaks near the catalytic converter can also confuse sensor readings. Diagnosis should always start with a live data scan. Check long-term and short-term fuel trims using a scanner. Inspect the downstream obd2 sensor voltage pattern. Check for fuel injector leakage. Measure fuel pressure using a fuel pressure gauge. Also inspect wiring and connectors of the obd2 sensor near the exhaust system because heat damage is very common there. Now the fixing process. First, inspect and clean or replace the air filter if dirty. Second, check fuel injectors and fuel pressure system. Third, test the downstream oxygen sensor and replace it if faulty. Fourth, inspect exhaust system for leaks before and after the catalytic converter. Finally, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and perform a full drive cycle. If you fix P2097 on time, you will restore proper air-fuel balance, improve fuel mileage, and protect your catalytic converter from long-term damage. And that means better performance, better efficiency, and a healthier engine.